You know all those like spooky, scary camping stories where somebody is out camping truly in the wilderness where there shouldn't be anyone else out there, and then they hear what sounds like a woman screaming? Well, Kiara is in heat right now. I don't know why she chose this very moment to stop screaming and instead to start rolling around like she's cute. I don't know if she'll do it now on camera. I'll try and get it, but a mountain lion in heat truly sounds like a human woman screaming. Hi, Kiara. Good morning. It's bright and early. Good morning. I heard you screaming over there. It was real frightening, like. She's like, I'm sorry, I have to do this to find me a man. I know. We all got to do stuff we're not proud of to find us a good man. Hi, Kiara. Oh my goodness. Ugh, I just fell back a little bit. Kiara. Oh my goodness. She's so cute. Everybody just wants to pet you. Kiara. All right. I'm going to go back to work, but if I hear her scream, screaming again, I'll try and get it on camera. I was just handing out rodent donations, and she was screaming, and as soon as I pulled my phone out, she stopped screaming. Yeah, the heck right, you were playing with your balls. Do it. Scream. She's like, what? I wasn't doing anything. That's it?